10 Commandments of Computer Ethics. Number 1. You shall not use a computer to harm other people. This commandment said it is unethical to use a computer to harm another user's commandment states that it's wrong to use a computer to steal someone's personal information, manipulating, destroying files of other users, and ethically wrong. Number 2. You shall not interface with other people's computers. Work is simply put, do not use computer technology to cause interfaces with another work. Computer software can be used in a way that disrupt other users or disrupt their work. Viruses, for example, our program means to harm useful computer program is interface with the normal functioning of computer. Malicious software can disrupt the functioning of computer in more ways that is the one overlooked computer memory through exercising computational computer resources through slowing its functioning. Commandments number 3. You shall not slope around in other people's computer files. Do not spy of another person's computer data. We know it is wrong to read someone person's letters on the same lines is a wrong read. Someone else's email, image, or files. Obtaining data from another person's private files is nothing less than breaking into someone's room, snooping around in another person's files, of reading someone else's personal message in the evasion of this privacy. There is exception for this example, spying the necessary and cannot be called unethical when it's done against unlimited use of computer. You shall not use computer to steal. Simply put, do not use computer technology to steal information. Stealing sensitive information or leaking confidential information is a good robbery. It is wrong to steal. Personal information is employed from the employee debates of the patient history from the hospital debate of the other. Number 5. You shall not use a computer to verify false fitness. Simply put, do not contribute to use spread of misinformation using computer technologies. Also means that false news or rumors can spread through the social networking sites. Email spreading information has become viral today because of the internet. Commandment number 6. You shall not copy or use proprietary software for which a piece of code is the original work of the individual who created is a copyright, and if you have not paid without permission like any other artistic or literary work, software is a copyright. His or her name is case of developer writing software for the organization the work for the organization hold the copyright.
Ito pala yung person hindi ko pa naipasa. Gawin ko na kaya?
Commandments number 8. You shall not appropriate other people's intellectual output. Program is developed by a software and developers are their property. He is working is an organization. There are organization property copy. They are propagating them is one or name of unethical.
Dagdagan ko kaya itong kwento itong balita para sa pakinabang, pero hindi ako magdulot ng masakit sa ibang tao at sa lipunan. Mag-isip na lang kaya ako ng lipunan ng something information at yung idalagdag ko para hindi makasakit ang ibang tao at magdulot ng gulo sa lipunan. Commandment number 10. Consideration and respect for the other human. Simply but is the using computer for communication. Be respectful and continuous with these fellow members. Communication ethics with follow in the real world applies to communication over computer as well. Right? Communicating over the internet, one should treat others with respect. One should not intrude other private space. Use abuse. Language make false statements or kinds responsible remarks about others. One should be continuous while communicating over the web and should respect other time and resources. Also, one should be considerate with a novice computer user.